I have a trial starting this month, and as a statistician, I need to set up the randomization schema. To do this, I click on the study here to open the study page. If I go to the Study Setup subtab, there is where I can create my schema. To create a new schema, I click New. I can go ahead and select at which level I need to randomize. I see here that I have two options, study and site level. Based on the upcoming studies protocol, I choose study instead of site, which means all of the sites for this study will assume the same schema and randomization parameters. In other words, there would be no variation across sites in how subjects are randomized. This is also referred to as centralized randomization. Moving on, I choose the type or method of randomization. I have the option of choosing simple, block, or stratified block. For this study, I choose stratified block. Because I chose stratified block randomization, I can see a new section appear where I can capture various factors such as demographic filters like age, gender, height, and more. Before adding those, I'll fill out the top here first. I can define the format of the subject numbers that will be automatically created by the system and then uniquely assigned to each subject upon randomization. I can define the sample size so it would be 50 for this protocol. This also translates to the system automatically creating 50 random unique subject numbers for each of the respective 50 subjects. Here I indicate the block size: 6, 12. And below I can allocate my assignment across the various blocks. So, here, I'm allocating evenly across all of my blocks. Then, I can add my stratification factors. For this protocol I just need age and gender, so I'll add those in. Now that I've created my randomization schema, I click Save and Generate. I see that this block schema record was automatically created where I can see the details I previously entered. And all of my blocks here since I chose stratified block randomization. I'll navigate into a block here where I see my randomization numbers created and assigned. I can see that 6 has been assigned here since the block size is 6. I can also export this to Excel for further crunching and analysis for me and my team. In the case of a protocol amendment where I need to allow for additional subjects to be enrolled into this study, I may need to create a new block schema. To do so, I can simply mark this one as inactive and click Save and New. Now, as a coordinator or a nurse, to randomize a subject, I navigate to the subject record and click Randomize. It's important to note that I will only be able to randomize subjects who are greater than 18 and female, stratification factors that were defined earlier. Once I click this, I can see that this subject was successfully randomized and any automations and workflows I have in place such as sending email alerts or dispensing kits would occur as well.